Alright, let's get to a grand unboxing today. This one is a special piece. This is the first piece I have gotten from the you got a beautiful Vuitton box. And let me sit right here to do that so that you guys can see what we got going on. And oh my goodness. Okay. Teeny tiny box. Teeny tiny box. And a lot of paperwork for a teeny tiny box. And the reason being is in this teeny tiny box is a piece of jewelry from Louis Vuitton. So let's put our box out of the way. Take a sippy poo of some coffee. And we're gonna put this down out of the way. We'll take a look at all that, what comes with it in a moment. A gift card, and you can have those personalized. Beautiful little wrapping, gorgeous little orange box with a little slip drawer. And inside of our little slip drawer is a teeny tiny bag with a teeny tiny tag. Let me hold that up so it'll focus. Yeah, this piece, $200 of this purchase went to the to Unicef in my name. And that is a promotion that they have going on right now, a program that Louis Vuitton is partnering with Unicef. And I think that it really is a great idea and a great thing for Louis to do. And so I definitely supported that and hopped right on it. I don't know that you'll be able to find these in store, but you will find them online. So, oh y'all, it is just dinky. It is just really pretty. It just shines. It really does. It just shines, shines, shines. It is sterling silver. It's about a little over a 19-inch chain that's adjustable. It is a teeny tiny Louis Vuitton lock in sterling silver on a sterling silver chain. And it is adorable. It is adorable. Let me do this for you. hope everybody's having a good day. We've got blue skies and sunshine for the moment. And we're getting ready for some football and some fall weathering gear and some football fall weathering gear. So a lot of exciting things on the way. She has a sister that'll be here tomorrow. They also offer the bracelet to match the necklace. And let's try her on. She has a lobster claw clasp. And I can't see Louis Vuitton printed on the lobster claw clasp. My eyes are swelling from the pollen and the grass cutting and all that kind of stuff and allergies and everything, and so I'm having a hard time seeing today. Oh my goodness, I just love it. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Can you see this, guys? I hate to get my face all up in your camera and everything, but I want you to be able to see the necklace and everything. So, isn't it just dainty? And oh my goodness, as far as luxury items go, it's probably one of the most on point price point for any of their valuables. So, I mean, wow, at the deal for what you get on this necklace. And yeah, I do a lot of jewelry shopping, and in comparison, you'll find much cheaper necklaces made than this necklace at the same price point. And if it's helping a good cause, it's helping Unicef and everything, why not do that? You know, help others when you can. And it'll help you along the way. So, yay. Oh my goodness, isn't it cute? Oh goodness, and you can just feel good about it, you know. And then the paperwork, we got, let's see. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Tells you a little bit about Louis Vuitton. And this is our gift receipt. So, and let's see what else. So we've got a return label and my little note to myself, customized little note to myself. Love always and forever, LV. So this is the goodie package in the unboxing for today, and thank you for stopping by. I will do a short video like I did today tomorrow on the bracelet when it gets here. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. And I hope that you have a good and blessed day. When you bless others, and you get blessed. Keep that in mind. Y'all have a great one.